Let the gods be my judges, for in every sign that they gave me, they told me no lies. Coming events cast their shadows before them. Victory has 1,000 fathers, but defeat is an orphan. The rob that smiles steals something from the thief. The fool precedes the master. It is easier to fool someone than to convince them that they have been fooled. You either die a hero, or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain. The line separating good and evil passes not through states, nor between classes, nor between political parties either, but right through every human heart. Be careful lest in casting out your demon you exorcise the best thing in you. How terrible is wisdom when it brings no profit to the man that's wise. The sun too shines into cesspools and is not polluted. The mind is its own place and in itself can make a heaven of hell, a hell of heaven. My principal anguish and source of all my joys and sorrows from my youth onward has been the incessant, merciless battle between the spirit and the flesh, and my soul is the arena where these two armies have clashed and met. As above, so below, as within, so without, as the universe, so the soul. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. He to whom this emotion is a stranger is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. Let the future tell the truth, and evaluate each one according to his work and accomplishments. The present is theirs. The future for which I really worked is mine.